morning, friends. In last class, we were discussing about foreign exchange dealings. So we have solved one problem, right? Continuing the same foreign exchange dealing, we will solve some more problems today. So problem number 2, find out forward rate or outright rate for the following quotations and also calculate spread and spread percentage. Quite different to last class problem. This is little comprehensive. Spot rate 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Currency given US dollar per Australian dollar is 0.69768 oblique 784. 1 month 20 oblique 25, 3 months 25 oblique 30. This is 30 oblique 25. So this is the US dollar per Australian dollar. That means 1 Australian dollar is equals to US dollar 0.69768 oblique 784. This is the two-way quotation again, and this quotation includes both ask and bid price, right? Then Australian dollar per sterling pound 2.19896 oblique 2008. 1 month swap point is 15 oblique 20, 20 oblique 18 and 15 oblique 25. This is US dollar per euro is 1.1191 oblique 208 30 oblique 40 35 oblique 30 and 25 oblique 30, right? The fourth one is US dollar per sterling pound 1.5351 oblique 57 50 oblique 60 swap point 3 months 60 oblique 70 60 oblique 70 60 oblique 80. So the problem is given. We need in last class we have solved only one exchange rate, outright rate. Now they have given US dollar and Australian dollar per sterling pound, US dollar per euro. This one is euro, and US dollar per sterling pound. This currency symbol is nothing but is a sterling pound. Now, like last class, if the swap point is in increasing order, if the swap point is like 20 oblique 25, if it is in increasing order, we have to add to the spot rate. See, spot rate again, there are two quotations, there are two prices included in a single quote called two-way quotation. So 0.69768 oblique 0.69784. So last three digit means you have to replace these three digits. Fine. So the higher one is your ask price and lower one is your bid price. So let us solve this problem. So spot rate given, like first one US dollar per Australian dollar. There are two prices. One is 0.69768. The lower one is your bid price 0.697768 and the ask price is 0.69784. Right? So 0.697768 and I have replaced these three digits and these 4 digits or 5 digits after an integer is called as pips, right? So to calculate spread, the formula is ask minus bid, that is 0.69784 minus 0.69768. You need to calculate, this is your spread, right? Since the 1 month swap is in increasing order while reading from left to right, that is 20 oblique 25. Since it is in increasing order, you have to add the same thing to the spot rate. Add 1 month swap point or outright point or forward point. 1 month swap is 20 oblique 25, 0.0020 oblique 0.00025. You have to add these two. This is the spread, ask minus bid. Then spread percentage is, the formula is ask minus bid divided by ask into 100. So in this case, the ask price is 0.69784 minus 0.69768 oblique ask price is 0.69784 multiplied by 100. You need to calculate this, right? Likewise, the spot rate, the answer you got from this, the answer you get from this is your 1 month the answer is 1 month forward rate. US dollar per Australian dollar, you are getting 1 month forward rate after adding 1 month swap point or forward point. Why we added is the swap point or forward point is given in the increasing order. That's why we have added to the spot rate. Now for 3 months, again from reading from left to right, 25 oblique 30, that means you have to add 3 months swap point to the spot rate. It is given as 25/30. That's why we are adding 0.00025, 0.00030, right? Again, you have to calculate for spread. After calculating 3 months, see, quite easy. We are adding 3 months swap point. We are adding 3 months swap point to the spot rate. Why we are adding? Because this is in increasing order. 25 is lower than 30. 25/30 means this is in increasing order. That's why we have added to the spot rate, not to the 1 month forward rate. We have added 3 months swap point or for outright point to the spot rate. Fine. Now, after calculating this, after totaling these two, you have to calculate the spread as well as spread percentage also. Then for 6 months, while reading from left to right, 30/25, that means this is in decreasing order. 30 is greater than 25. While reading from left to right, since this is in decreasing order, you have to deduct it from the spot rate. You have to deduct it from spot rate because this is in decreasing order, right? So you have to deduct 6 months swap point or 6 months outright point as 30, 0.00030 from the ask price 0.00025. So the answer you are getting is 6 months forward rate. Again, you have to calculate spread for 6 months. You have to calculate spread and spread percentage for 1 month outright rate, 3 months outright rate, 6 months outright rate. So while calculating, you need to remember is, if the swap point or outright point is in increasing order, then you have to add it to the spot rate. So again, for question number 2, the quotation is between Australian dollar per sterling pound, right? You need to write the spot rate first. Spot rate is 2 Australian dollar per sterling pound is 2.19896. This is replaced by 2000, 20,008, right? So which one is higher? Here 2.20008 is greater than 2.19896. So the lower price is the bid price, 2.19896 oblique 2.2008 is the ask price, because this one is greater than this thing. The universal truth is ask price is always greater than bid price, right? So check this. 1 month swap point or forward point is 15/20. That means this thing is in increasing order. 15 is lower than 20. While reading from left to right, 15/20, that is increasing. So we have to, if it is in increasing order, you have to add 1 month swap is 15, 0.00015 and 0.00020. So your answer is answer you are getting is called 1 month outright rate or 1 month forward rate. Again, you have to calculate the spread, that is ask minus bid. Then you need to calculate spread percentage, that is ask minus bid divided by ask into 100. Again, you have to calculate it for 1 month outright rate also, spread and spread percentage, right? Then for 3 months, while reading from left to right, 20/18, right? So this is in decreasing order. Since it is in decreasing order, you have to deduct it from the spot rate only, not to this, not to 1 month outright rate. You have to adjust everything with the spot rate only. So less 3 months swap point is in decreasing order. So you have to deduct it 3 months, that is 0.00020 oblique 0.00018. So this is your 3 months outright rate. Again, you have to calculate spread for 3 months outright rate, spread percentage for 3 months outright rate, right? Again, for this thing, and third and fourth one is quite similar. If the swap point or forward point is in increasing order, then you have to add to the spot rate. If it is in decreasing order, then you have to deduct it from the spot rate. That's it. So this thing you can solve yourself. If you have any doubt, we will solve all these things while we sit together and together in an offline class. Fine. Thank you.